Grandma's got? Ooh, it's leaking. Ooh, I forgot her bib. Can you please get me a bib? Okay, Grandpa, we ready?
Mm-hmm.
I think Scarlett's doing something else. I don't think her mind is on this right now. This is leaking. This is leaking. This isn't working. I don't know why it's leaking.
Where's it leaking from?
It's leaking from the cover. Like whenever I go to tip it over. Can you go get me a towel, please, honey? What's that, Scarlett? Is that your mommy here with you? That's a part of her with you. I don't think she wants it, Grandpa. I don't think she wants it. Nope, she's going back to sleep. Nope. She's going back to sleep. She's not wanting it, Grandpa. Do you see a little tongue coming out?